Hello children, let's start with the 17th question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The number of equivalence relation containing 1, 2 is 1, 2, 3 or 4. You have to say that. Now here the set is given as let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Is it? It should contain 1, 2. So first we can make a relation. Okay, equivalence we have to prove. So what we can do, we have to first prove reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, so let's make a set. From this 1, 2, 3, let's select first 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So this make the set reflexive. Is it? Again I repeat, if I write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, this make the set reflexive. Okay. Now what they say that it should contain 1, 2. So let's take 1, 2. So to prove symmetry, we must take 2, 1. So let's take 2, 1. Is it? Now let's check it again whether it is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive or not. Is it? Since 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R1, so it is a reflexive. Let's take 1, 2, 2, 1. Is it? So 1, 2, 2, 1. Is it? It also shows that it is a symmetric. Okay. Let's check for now transitive. Again you take 1, 2, 2, 1 because this is given in our question. Is it? This is given in question 1, 2. So let's take it. So 1, 2, 2, 1 belongs to R. So both 1, 1 also belongs to R. Therefore, it is a equivalent set. So this is become the equivalent set. Now remember children, we have taken only 1, 2, 3. Is it? From this we have taken 1, 1 and 2, 1. Now which is remaining? 1, 3 remaining. Is it? 2, 3 and 3, 1 and 3, 2 remaining. These are the 4 which is remaining. So let's check which will be remaining. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Is it? Taking this we can form another equivalent set. Is it? For equivalent set, for reflexive again we need 1, 1, 2, 2. Is it? 2, 2, 3, 3. So this shows a reflexive. Is it? Now what we have included? Now 1, 3, 3, 1. This shows is it a symmetric? Is it? Okay. Now you select 1, 3, 3, 1. So 1, 1. So this 1, 1 is also there. So it is what it become? Transitive. Okay. So how much equivalent set we get? R1 and R2 we got. So there are two equivalent relation. Therefore answer B is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay. Let's start with the question number 18. The function f R to R be a sigmoidous function defined as fx is equal to 1 when x is greater than 0, fx is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, fx is equal to minus 1 when x is less than 1, and g is from R to R be the greatest integer function given by gx is equal to, this is the box which is a greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then does Goff and Fogg coincide in 0 open interval 0 1 close interval? Is it? It is open close. Is it? So let's check. First you understand what is a greatest integer. This is x. What is a greatest integer means? Suppose it is 1.2. The greatest integer greater than that will be equal to 1. Is it? Suppose is 3.2. Is it? The greatest integer greatest than or equal to will be equal to 3. Okay. Suppose 1.5. The greatest integer will be equal to 1. Suppose integer is there 1. then answer will be 1. If it is 2, then it will be 2. Greatest integer equal to. Okay. If it is 2.5, the greatest integer equal to or greater than that will be equal to 2. Is it? So here greatest integer is given. Greatest integer less than or equal to x. Is it? That is given. So where is the function f? F is defined from R to R. And fx is equal to, we have 1 when x is greater than 0, 0 when x is equal to 1, and minus 1 when x is less than 1. Is it? Where we are talking about, this is, so is an interval. Which interval is given? Open 0 to close interval 1. Is it? So let x belongs to open interval 0, close interval 1, close interval. Is it? It means that 1 is included, 0 is not included. So let us check for f of 1. So f of 1 will be what? Equal to 1. Is it? Equal to 1. And here the greatest integer g of x is defined as the greatest integer. Is it? So let's break this interval x belongs to open interval 0, 1 to close interval as equal to union of 2, means open interval 0, 1, union 1. Is it? Why I did that? Because the function is greatest integer less than or equal to x. Is it? So here gx will be defined in two ways. Okay, in the interval 0 to 1, if you put g of x, is it? G of x 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1, 0 to 1 means in between 0 and 1. Is it? Say suppose 0.5. Is it? Suppose you take 0.5. So g of x is equal to greatest integer 0.5. So what will come as 0? Is it? The greatest integer is 0 here. Isn't it? So what will be the function in the interval? What will the value of gx in between 0 to 1? Anything you can take. You can take 0.5, 0.9 also. Still the answer will be 0. Is it? So g of x is equal to 0 when x belongs to 0 to 1. And g of x is equal to, when g of x is 1, it is 1. Is it? When x is equal to 1. Is it? Okay. So let define as first fog of x. Fog of x. Is it? Fog of x. What will be fog of f? F g of x. Is it? Now, but g of x, we have two values of g. Is it? See here, Goff will also has two, fog will also have two values. G, first will be g of 0. Okay, g of 0 where x. So what will be here? G of 0 is what? G of 0 is 0. So it will become f of 0. And g of 1, g of 1, is it? When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1 is 1. So it will become now f of 1. So we will have two functions where it is x belongs to 0 to 1 and where x is equal to 1. Is it? So this is the value of fog x. Let's check for Goff x. Goff of x. Goff x means is g f of x. Is it? What is f of x means? You have to say 1, f of 1. Is it? F of 1 is what? 1. Is it? F of 1 is 1. So it will become g of 1. G of 1 means what? We have to put in the greatest integer. Is it? This is proper integer. So greatest integer is what it is means. the greater integer less than or equal to x. So this is who, so this will be 1. Is it? So what we see, fog of x, is it, is equal to here 0, 0 or 1. Here we are not defined, so again we have to define it. Let it that it will be equal to what? Again will be equal to 0 and 1 when x belongs to 0, 1, and when x is equal to 1. So for g of x we have two value, is it? We have to put f of 0. F of 0 is 0, is it? Okay, and f of 1 is 1. So for fog we have two values, 0 and 1, and for the gof we have only one value, which is 1, and therefore fog and gof are not equal, and hence we can say that fog and gof does not coincide in 0, 0, close interval 1. Is it? Class. The number of binary operation on the set A, B are, is it? We have to choose 10, 16, 20 and 8. What is a function defined as? See, the function is defined from AB cross AB to AB. Is it? So first let's take A cross A. A cross A is what? Again will give you some time, one time A, another time B, because AB is a function. Is it? If you take suppose A into B, again it will give you AB, and B into A, again it is give you AB. Is it? And B into B will also give you AB. So basically 2 are there. How many times? 4. So 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 becomes 16. So 16 is our correct answer. Thank you very much. After this, I am going to start with the chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Is it? That I am going to explain the concept of it. So before that, if it is possible, please revise the limit of 11th standard. Something about limit, what you know. If you revise it, it's better. This is the first that I have taken. Okay, you can go through it even if you read it this much. If you read this much, it will be enough. Then I will start and explain to you. Is it? Thank you.